Hello guys! This is Ram Viloria, your trusted real estate agent from DMCI Homes. In this video, I will be featuring Prisma Residences. Tara, itour ko kayo.
So this is the facade of the property. We have 3 towers consisting of Astra Building yung nasa gitna, Celeste yung nasa likod at Kira naman yung nasa harapan.
Prisma Residences is strategically located along Pasig Boulevard, Pasig City.
With more than 2 hectares lot area, this property is very accessible to BGC and Makati. If we are facing towards the main road, yung left side is going to C5. Right side naman ay going to Mandaluyong, Capitol Commons or EDSA. Heto na guys, papasok na tayo sa property. Sa mga nagtatanong kung ano ba yung property katabi ng Prisma Residences, ito yung still under construction na Allegra Garden Place. This is also a DMCI development. Para sa mga interested clients, feel free to leave a message po. So, bali ito yung sasalubong sa atin dito sa main entrance ng Prisma Residences. We have the guardhouse. Ito yung isa sa pinakamaganda dito kay DMCI. Hindi lang basta gated community, meron din tayong 24/7 security services. By the way, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you will be able to finish it. Hihintayin ko yung feedback nyo sa comment section. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, sobrang lawak ng ating driveway. So, bali 2-way siya. At ang kagandahan nito, elevated yung property natin.
Welcome to your DMCI Homes, the most trusted brand in real estate and construction in the Philippines. Feels real good to be home.
Excited na ba kayo guys? Bali, una ko muna ipapakita sa inyo lahat ng facilities dito sa may ground floor. So we are now here at the main lobby of Astra Building.
Bubungad talaga sa inyo yung resort feel ambience. Malawak yung lobby, maaliwalas, and of course, may mga naka-install na CCTV in all our common areas. So dito rin sa ground floor, meron tayong snack bar, gaming lounge, and then toilet. So you can see naman na napakaganda ng design, very intricate from floor to ceiling. Hindi rin nagtipid si DMCI because they are providing 12 high-speed elevators in Astra Building alone, and we are also a pet-friendly community. Ayan o, kasama ni Kuya yung dog niya. Tara naman guys, dito sa outdoor amenities. Sinisigurado talaga namin sa inyo na sulit yung experience dito sa community. Just imagine, meron kayong 60 to 70% open spaces allotted for your amenities. Just look around, ang gaganda ng mga landscape garden. Para naman sa mga fitness enthusiast na mahilig mag-cardio, pwede tayong mag-jogging paikot ng property since napakalawak ng ating community. Or sa mga mahihilig sa sports, andyan ang ating basketball court. Oh, please take note ha, free of charge itong basketball court natin. Now we are heading to the pool area. Ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-favorite kong amenities dito sa DMCI Homes. Kung bakit, let's find out. Sino ba naman sa atin ang hindi marerelax kung ganito kaganda ang sceneries mo sa condo? Sobrang nakaka-good vibes yung mga puno, lahat ng mga makikita mong greeneries, at yung napakagagandang landscape garden natin. At syempre naman yung mismong pool natin. Sa mga nakakapanood nito, nai-imagine nyo ba na baka isang araw, ito na rin yung favorite bonding place nyo dito sa Prisma? You and your family can enjoy the kiddie pool, the leisure pool, and of course, the lap pool. At kahit walang occasion, pwede tayong mag-barbecue. So we're almost done here sa ground floor. Tara naman sa basement 1. Sa basement 1, dito located ang ating fitness gym. Meron lang tayong minimal fee if we're going to use the facilities. At para sa ating basic needs, meron na rin tayong convenience store. Meron na rin tayong allotted area for our parcel. Kung meron tayong parcel from Lalamove, Shopee, or Lazada, we can pick it up here. And of course, located din sa basement 1 ng ating PMO. Dito tayo nagbabayad ng association dues, water and electric bill. And this is the right place where we can address all our concerns pertaining to our unit. Dito rin sa basement 1 located ang ating laundry station and also our water station. And since we are here at basement 1, ito yung actual parking spaces namin. We are offering single parking slot and tandem parking slots. Now, let's proceed sa model unit. Welcome to our 2-bedroom model unit. This is a 2-bedroom inner unit with a total area of 56 square meter with balcony and 1 toilet and bath. Upon entering sa main door, ang bubungad sa atin ay ang living area at ang dining area. Upon turnover ng unit, hindi po kasama itong mga appliances and furnitures. But we are going to hand over the property fully finished, meaning to say, livable po yung property. Painted po lahat ng walls at nakatalis na po yung flooring sa living and dining. Included na din itong mga cabinets natin dito sa my kitchen area. Once na ma-turn over na po sa inyo itong property, halos wala na po talaga kayong ipaparenovate dito sa unit. Basic furnishing at very realistic po yung ginawa ni DMCI dito sa model unit. Dito naman sa toilet and bath, aside from being very spacious, fully finished na rin yung turnover nito. Nakatalis yung flooring, at the same time, painted na rin yung mga walls. Meron na rin tayong rain shower head. Heading to our first bedroom, the floor turnover finish is vinyl. The space can fit a single bed. Painted na rin yung wall. Hindi po kasama yung mga cabinet.
may malaki tayong window at the same time may provision for aircon.
Dito naman po sa may master's bedroom, of course mas malawak na po yung space dito. Kasyang-kasya na po dito yung queen size or king size bed. At same with the first bedroom, naka-vinyl finish na po yung flooring. At the same time, meron na rin po tayong provision for AC. Dito rin po sa may master's bedroom, meron tayong access going to the balcony. Just imagine po, you will be having your morning coffee here or a simple chit-chat with your loved ones while enjoying this perfect view. Paglabas naman ng ating model unit, ito na po yung pinagmamalaki naming garden atrium floor. Bali, ito yung isa sa mga innovations na ginawa ni DMCI sa mga building niya. Ito po yung malalaking butas or openings na makikita nyo sa mga properties ng DMCI. Kaya naman napakaaliwalas at mahangin sa hallway. These openings serve to be the pathway of natural light and ventilation. Ayan, we are almost done po sa ating property tour. And lastly po, I want to showcase to you our sky lounge or roof deck. Basically po, parang extension ito ng unit mo. In this area po, pwede nating ma-enjoy ng libre ang morning sun at ang sunset. Ma-enjoy mo rin dito yung napakagandang skyline view ng BGC at Ortigas. Tin na rin ng mountain range ng Antipolo City. May mga unit owners din tayong dito nila ginagawa ang kanilang outdoor workout and yoga. And that's it guys, dito ko na tinatapos ang ating property tour. Bukas po lahat ng social media accounts ko including my number. If you want to get an actual computation and a condo viewing, feel free to message me anytime. Once again, this is Ram Viloria, your trusted in-house sales of DMCI Homes. Thank you so much and see you on my next vlog.